Welcome to Super Deals Alert. In this video, discover the top 8 water heaters that cater to various needs, including tankless, portable, and electric options. Whether you're looking for instant hot water solutions, energy-efficient designs, or convenient setups for camping, RVs, and home use, this list has you covered. Let's get started. Number 1. BOSCH Electric Mini Tank Water Heater Tronic 3000T 2.5 gallon ES 2.5. Eliminate time for hot water, shelf, wall or floor mounted. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater, 13 kW at 240 volts with patented self-modulating technology. Number 3. Gasland Tankless Water Heater, Gasland Outdoors B158 1.58 GPM 6L Portable Gas, Propane Water Heater, Overheating Protection, easy to install, used for RV, cabin, barn, camping and boat. Number 4. Topwish Portable Tankless Water Heater Propane, 5L 1.45 GPM Outdoor Gas Propane Water Heater, Instant Water Heater with handle for RV, camping, barns, trips boat and cabins. Number 5. Thermomate Electric Mini Tank Water Heater UL listed, Thermomate 2.5 gallon small under sink water heater for point of use instant hot water 110V 120V, wall or floor mounted ES 250. Number 6. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater, Tempera 24 Plus, Electric, On-Demand Hot Water Eco, White, 20.2. Number 7. GE Appliances 10-gallon versatile plug-and-play electric water heater with adjustable thermostat, easily installs where you want it, 120 volt. Number 8. Miaochow 2000W Immersion Water Heater, Portable Water Heater Electric with 304 SS, bucket heater with thermometer heats up to 5 gallons of water in minutes. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!